Unveiling the mysteries of SpaceX's Starlink direct-to-cell satellites. The age of global connectivity is upon us with SpaceX's Starlink direct-to-cell satellites. These innovative creations are truly shaping our future. So, how do these satellites work? It's simple, they orbit Earth low enough to communicate directly with your cell phone, no middleman required. Unlike traditional satellites, Starlink's low Earth orbit approach reduces latency. This means faster, more reliable connections, even in the most remote locations. The Starlink constellation is composed of thousands of mass-produced small satellites, working in combination with ground transceivers. This constellation design ensures comprehensive coverage. To maintain such a large network, SpaceX launches batches of 60 satellites at a time. With each launch, global connectivity becomes more of a reality. While still in its beta phase, Starlink's mission is clear: connect the unconnected, and improve connections for everyone else. A lofty goal, but in reach with SpaceX's innovative approach.